Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I hope everyone's having a great week. Today we're gonna be doing an at-home sundial craft. So what you'll need is a cutout of west to east. So you'll need paper plates, some disposable straws, pencil, scissors, tape. The craft says to use glue, but I'm just gonna use tape because I think it works just as well. And we'll get started. We're gonna start by cutting out this compass here and gluing it to the plate. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do, so I cut out the sundial here, and then I flipped my plate over. It has a bit of a rise, and then I just taped it to the plate. So that's the first step. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pencil and you're just gonna poke a hole through the middle here. Just make it big enough because this is where the straw is gonna go. So once the straw's in the center of the plate, we're gonna flip it over and we're just gonna tape this part down so it doesn't move, okay? So because it's kind of a cloudy, rainy, kind of crappy day, we can't actually, I don't think it's gonna work very well, but I'll just explain kind of how this works. So normally you'll have a compass. I'm just gonna use my phone and you'll lie it flat. And whatever direction it's casting, you just kind of want to tilt it closest to. And then depending on the time, so say noon, we're gonna line it up with at 12. And throughout the day, as time goes on, you'll notice that the cast actually moves in a clockwise rotation as time progresses. So yeah, so that's the project for today. I hope everyone has fun building it, and hopefully you can use it on a sunnier day.